this is John from johnmichaelmarketing.com. And before I show you how you can start getting paid $30 per hour just by visiting websites, I invite you to click on the link above or here in the description below to get instant access to the system I personally use to generate anywhere from $100 to $300 every single day from home, from my laptop, whilst traveling the world, spending time with my family. Okay, I don't go to a 9 to 5. So let's go to Google and I'll show you now how you can get paid just by visiting websites. Okay, nothing to do with what I do. Okay, so we go to user testing, type user testing on Google. You'll find a website here, usertesting.com. Go there, go to get paid to test. All right, so earn $10 per test. You visit a website or an app and you complete a set of tasks speaking your thoughts out loud and you get paid $10. Get paid via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks and speak your thoughts aloud. So that's it basically. Okay, you will sign up here. You will download software that they will give you so you can visit different websites. They work with, you see Apple, Microsoft, eBay, Facebook, Dropbox, Yahoo, Adobe. They're working with a lot of companies. Okay, and all you need to do is basically just visit a website and record your experience and say your experience. Okay, basically all these companies they want to know what the users are experiencing when they're visiting the websites, because they create the website, they see the website, for them it's working fine. But when users actually visit, maybe they run into some difficulties. Maybe some buttons are a little bit small. Maybe they cannot see something. Maybe they would like something else. Another feature on the website. So they're getting this feedback, and this company here, User Testing, helps all these companies get this feedback. Okay, so you can get paid to do these little tasks. So it's like very, very simple. Okay, you don't need to have any knowledge. Any knowledge in online marketing or whatever. Just visit get these little tasks and get paid. That's it. Now, you need to keep in mind though that they're telling you which countries they accept here, and the tasks are based on different on your demographics. Okay, so I don't know where you're watching, where you're from which country you are, but I will tell you a little tip here. If in your country maybe there are not many tasks, okay, what you could do is people use VPNs. Okay, a VPN is basically a website where you can change your IP. Okay, this is just for educational purposes. I don't necessarily tell you should do it this way. It's just an educational video and explain to you what is possible. Okay, so it's possible to change your IP. Your IP indicates where you are located. So if you are based, I don't know, in whatever, I don't know, in France, in UK, in I don't know, India or wherever, you can open an account here with hidemyass.com, and there are other VPNs also, but I've used these successfully in the past. And basically, there's a pricing here. You open an account with them. I'm not affiliated with any of these, all right? Just so you know, I'm not going to earn money if you go to User Testing or Hide My Ass. So you can sign up. The packages start very cheap, like for $5.99 a month, and basically they will give you you'll have access to a different IP. Okay, so when you open an account with whichever User Testing or whichever company, it shows like you're from a different country. Okay, so this is a little tip for you if you would like to get more jobs from User Testing, or you can use this for in other ways also. Use it ethically, okay, not in a bad way. So hope this website helps you generate some extra income online. Again, this is exchanging time for money. All right. It works. You can get paid. If you would like me to show you a better way, okay, of generating higher income without exchanging your time, okay, leveraging systems, click on the link like I told you above this video right here, or click right below in the description, and I'll give you access to the exact system I use to generate anywhere from $100 to $300 every single day, like clockwork. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up, okay, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, comment below in the description, watch some more of my videos, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.